thing about island life is that there are not many paved roads, so set yourself up for a bumpy ride. But I think we eventually got used to it. Meeting the people of Zanzibar in their own native villages was such a beautiful experience, and I definitely will take back the fact that they have such a zest for life and appreciate every moment of it while showing people love and respect all day long, and I absolutely love that. Now you can see what the traffic is like, guys. It is a little insane. There is motorbikes, cars, car jams. You just drive as you go. There's people, there's animals. You just make your way, eh? Especially because there are hardly any robots there, and I only noticed it when we left Zanzibar and got back home to South Africa. I realized I don't remember seeing much robots. Maybe in the city, a few, but that's probably because I got used to island living and was not ready to go back to the city. Welcome to the gorgeous Kendwa beach, one of the most popular beaches in Zanzibar. This was very close to our resort, but this beach was a little more user-friendly in terms of swimming because it was a little bit deeper at that time of the tide. We got a little spot and we rented a recliner, which was about 20,000 Tanzanian shillings. I know it sounds a lot, guys, but if you convert that to rands or dollars, it really isn't that much. So we found Wi-Fi so that we could convert the currencies because we were so confused. We found Savannah on the menu, yay, but it said it's 8,000 Tanzanian shillings. So we were like, how? What? 8,000? But anyway, we went on the converter and found out that it was 57 rand. Salty though.
I want to give us the birthday for this one.
Yeah?
And to the Shere, you know Shere?
What's that?
Zanzibar Sherehe is to marry for everything. To marry you.
To marry you.
It's the big parties.
Okay.
Oh!
I want to see you, South African, to marry you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna marry us, ne?
Must take everything. You organize.
If we finish South Africa, come
Yeah.
to Zanzibar.
Come to Zanzibar.
One more parties.
Okay, so we can celebrate, ne?
We have a local for the, local for the bar.
Oh, Pagba, yeah.
You know, bar?
Yeah.
Is big one for you for the
For the
To
wedding.
the local.
for the
Okay.
good parties.
Okay.
But do you want, are they gonna bring Savannah by the wedding? Savannah or champagne? Which one must we have?
Champagne.
Champagne. You want
because-
Savannah?
Yeah. It's
Champagne
Savannah
goes.
it's Savannah really special for the ladies.
Nice.
We like
I
Savannah.
You
Yes,
like Savannah, okay?
Mm.
It's okay.
We were so happy
It's
when
special
we
for the
saw
ladies.
special. We were so happy when we saw the Savannah,
It's,
yeah, in
Savannah is-
Zanzibar, yeah.
It's going to drink for the ladies. Good for happy.
I feel like
Good for happy.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg and ginger.
Not
You
making
know
sure.
muscada.
Muscada,
You know nutmeg?
Yeah, we know
For you to
nutmeg.
cut.
Yeah,
It's a white fiber.
yeah.
To crush, to pound, to put in a soda and a juice
In
and
a
a cake
juice.
for seafood
Yeah.
for the lady to drink.
Uh,
After 10 minutes, this one to change.
Okay.
yeah.
If we can boyfriend like this, it's no problem.
Okay.
If it goes music, it's not shy.
Yeah.
If it goes inside, good for
Okay.
happy for jiggy bunga bunga.
Well, jiggy. Ooh, the advice. Thank you.
Hakuna matata.
Hakuna
Jambo
matata.
bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
The song.
Ati wageni wakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu. Hakuna matata, nchi ya kupendeza. Zanzibar hakuna corona.
Yeah, Corona.
You like music, eh? You know Davido? Davido.
Davido. Yes.
You know?
Yes. Davido's a vibe.
Dippy-dippy-yo. No. I know Mr. Everything. I know everything.
So when you're out, we are out in the world. And in the world, there's a lonely croissant with no one else around it. And then there's these scavengers that are everywhere. Yeah. Want to steal our food. Look at that. Try us. Darum, 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 darum. So guys, we are going out on the water with the paddle boats and all of that. But first, we need to get our swim shoes. Guys, this looks like a swim version of Crocs. Suits you, babe. Just style too. Magic.
Come on, Tanya.
Hashtag bestie goals. See, guys, excuse me. Everything is salty. The pool, the ocean. It is raining, and yeah, this is what my hair did. But when the rain stops, we are going out on the sea to do some paddle boarding and canoeing and stuff. In the ocean, the rain is actually so refreshing though, because it's soft, drizzle, refresh, and it passes within like a few minutes. So yay! What the models look like when the day has just been a little too much. Hi Shawnee! Just chilling! We're about to get a massage, and how cute is this change room? There's the lockers, you can have private changing there. There's me. And then that's our gown, towels, and shoesies. Let's get changed. So they gave Wesley the wrong gown. Everything is short. And then there's mine that's like extremely long. And they give the man the tiny one. So this looks like a very calm walk through the island. Beautiful greenery all around us. The ocean breeze, super soft, going through our hair, on our faces. Until something broke with that stress-free aura. Guys, I scratched the size of the lizards in Zanzibar are humongous. I literally flew off that path. Ew. So in Zanzibar, oh, I do have clothes on at the lunch table. In Zanzibar, we're literally having this chicken wrap, and it is so amazing. They made it with the roti, but here they call it a aparta, and it's so flaky and so good. This is how I like my rotis to be made or to taste like. It must be fluffy, a little bit of crunch, butter on the outside. So good. Comment below, how do you like your roti to taste? Texture must be right, you know. And on the next episode of our Zanzibar trip, we are swimming with sea turtles. Please go check out the Zanzibar playlist for the rest of the videos and turn that notification button on so that you don't miss a thing. These are the rest of my social media profiles. Go check me out at Shawnee_read. Drop a comment if you have any questions, or let me know what you'd like to see about the trip. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.